Alright, this is going to be the last, video featuring the A4 for a while, who knows when. But really this is just, I've been meaning to do this for the past like 3 years, and, I was just too lazy. So, anyway, this is in an earlier video I kind of did a Borla, I just drove down the street and you really couldn't hear the exhaust. So before I hear like any comments like that sounds like stock, well, I'm gonna do another video. Now keep in mind this is like 3-4 years after it's been put in. And also there's a blow off valve too. So I'm gonna do that for you guys. And if you're looking to get, I think Borla is great. A lot of people associate them with muscle cars, and that is true, they are known for that, but honestly for European stuff and even JDM stuff, they're quality products at a good price. I sound like a commercial. So anyway, but I really like their stuff. I think this is the second Borla exhaust system I've gotten. Way back in the 90s, I had it for my Honda Civic, pre-Fast and the Furious, before everyone else started getting a Civic and making it look like that one. I had that before the movie. Anyway, here we go. We're going to do a sound test. Ready? Let me put the camera angle. There we go. I had to cover up the license plate. I don't know. What can you do with the license plate? So all those people that spend you have to spend what 2 or 3K on this is a catback, turbo back exhaust system. I just proved you wrong. Later.